Hi friends, it's SuNN here from Stampin.com. I have a unique opportunity for you, and I'm trying to turn a negative into a positive. So let me give you a little bit of a backstory. I started doing online classes because I don't have a very large customer base locally. And it's just the way things fell. I have a hard time with the scheduling of stuff in my apartment. Anyway, long story short, I started doing online classes. So my classes are internet-based. A person can purchase a bundle from me. So that's a stamp set and a die, stamp set, a punch, And basically, I send them a packet and it has a whole bunch of consumables in it, everything that you need to make the cards that I design. And in this packet, they have a password, and they take that password and they go to my website, they find the classroom, they put the password in, and all of a sudden the page opens up and there is a ton of inspiration, whether I did it from YouTube or whatever, but there's for sure at least 3 videos that are specific and unique to the classroom. So I don't share it anywhere else, like nowhere else, no bundles, no tutorials, no nothing. It is exclusive for those customers. So at any given time, there might only be, 8 or 10 people that have taken the class. This last month, I did not get any sales for the class that I created, which was called Grace's Garden, an amazing class. I thought it was really good. I have really unique designs, different than what everybody else has on the internets. And I didn't get any sales, and that's totally fine. February is a tough month for everybody. I know it is for me. It's a short month and it's hard right after Christmas. It could have been that. It could have been that I had a glitch in my event registration, but I want to move forward now. I don't want to redo the same class. And usually with my online class schedules, I have one online class that starts at the beginning of the month and ends to the 4 weeks after. And there's a reason for that. I just don't want to be cutting all of the supplies needed all the time, it gets confusing. So if I can keep it to a smaller window, then I'm happy, and it makes me happy, not stressed out, and I come up with really good inspirations for my customers. So that being said, because the Grace's Garden class did not sell, I thought that I would take that negative and turn it into a positive, meaning that I'm going to offer the class for free. Now, how do I do that and make sure that everybody who wants to take the class can take the class? So basically, I'm not going to send out the packet to anybody. So it's just like complete video only, and I'm gifting it to you. Easiest way that I could figure out how to do it is if I emailed one mass email to everybody who is interested, and then they get the password and the link to the classroom, and Bob's your uncle. So the link is in the description box below, and you are invited to subscribe to my newsletter. And of course, you can unsubscribe after you get the online class. That's fine. It's just easiest for me to do it this way. I'll send out the email March 15th, 2020. And hopefully everybody will have gotten an email from me in that time so that you know where I am. I do emails every Sunday. I thought this would be a good way to, again, turn a negative into a positive. To reward the subscribers on my YouTube channel that are from different countries that can never purchase an online class from me. I thought it would be awesome to give them a spin in it and see, what it's all about. I thought that it would be nice for those folks, those customers that are on the fence and are unaware that I do online classes. I thought maybe it would be a good, intro, hey, do I actually want to spend money with this demonstrator? Anyway, so that's what I'm going to do. I invite you to please sign up to my newsletter if you're interested. If you're not, just skip on by. I still do free content all over the place, and hopefully everybody can sign up in that time. And if not, then that's okay too, right? I appreciate you listening to me ramble on for almost 6 minutes. So I will take my leave. I hope you have a lovely day, and I will catch you next time. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.